Hey Darius, it's Kim Salgado, your professor. I wanted to show you your post this week. Your post this week didn't, in the week 3 discussion board, didn't truly answer the question. It asked you to go through the reading and the chapter that it gave you to read and the tools it told you to discover some new time management tools or techniques. And it asks you to talk about one that you're going to try and use. But anyway, as I was reading your post here, I wanted to encourage you to create your post in Word or to double check it in Word before you post it in the discussion board, because I found a bunch of mistakes. So what I'm doing now is, this is your post, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to pull up Word, and I'm going to put it in Word for you, because I want you to see what it looks like. And this will help you moving forward. If you do this, this will help you correct these little bitty mistakes, and you'll get more points on your clarity of writing part in your rubric. So it says, and always read it out loud if you can. It says, as a online student, anytime you use a in front of a word that starts with a vowel, you want to use an. But I'm going to put my cursor here, and I'm going to right click. See how it shows me here what it should be? And I'm just going to choose it. As an online student, let's just see what it says. It's asking for a comma because we paused when we were speaking. As an online student, pause, comma, we have the ability to do our work when we are able to before the deadline. So students can wait until the end of the week to touch the classwork. Let's see what it says here. Instead of so, it's suggesting that you use the word therefore, which actually I kind of like. So let's go ahead and choose that. As online students doing this, it's asking for a comma again. Okay, it says the sentence structure is wrong, so let's just ignore it. Let's read it out loud. As online students doing this, okay, as online students, let's leave it there. This shows in the quality of their work. As online students, how about do this? This shows in the quality of the classwork. This shows in the quality of their work. Time management is again, this is an A right before a word that has a vowel, so it's going to be an. Time management is an important factor when it relates to, again, this is going to be an as well, an online student. I can remember times in high school when I could push off work to the last minute because of me being in the classroom. But closer to my senior year in high school, most of our work, this should be our work, O-U-R, became virtual, so have time was a big key. That sounds funny. But closer to my senior year in high school, let's put a comma there. Most of our work became virtual. So how about we say, so having time was a big key. That sounds better to me. Going into my first year in college in my hometown, I managed to develop a good trait of time management. I had to develop time to do work at home on the internet. I'm going to say at home on the internet. I had to develop time to do work at home on the internet. I wish anytime you have I in a sentence, it is always capitalized. Every time. Okay? I wish I had a better intuition in high school with it came to my time management. How about when it came to when it came to time management. All right, so let's look at this again. Yeah. So see how I've used Word to correct this, and it sounds so much better? But if you would, go back and edit this yourself, and also see if you can answer the discussion board prompts that they put in the guidelines, so that I can give you more points for this submission of yours. I usually grade these on Wednesday. If you can resubmit this, you can edit it. If you can resubmit this by Wednesday, I will give you more points. Let me find it here. See how this is here? If you click into, let's see, I can probably click into my own and show you. See, hey, this is my submission. So if I click into my submission, let me see if I can move this up. There. See how it has edit post? That's how you would edit your post. So you can go into your own submission, hit edit post, and then you can correct your work and hit save. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that, Darius. So if you could just use Word, read it out loud before you post, and be sure that you're answering all the discussion board prompts. And they are right in the discussion board. My screen may look a little bit different than yours, but if you like scroll down or go into module 3, see it has all of the discussion topic, and then it has initial post, what is due, and it has the questions here for you to answer. Okay? And this even tells you how to be successful. Anyway, thanks so much for your time. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.